Can anybody explain to me why this billionaire have to kpai himself? Can any reasonable person give a proper explanation why this young man have to kpai himself upon all the wealth, upon all the traveling, upon all the education, upon all the influencer? Can anybody give a proper explanation? So you see, life no balance. Life no balance. As they always say, the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. Wherever you are, whatever you are thinking, just be contented with what you have. Tomorrow, tomorrow is going to be more better than today. Because if you ask me, this young man, this CEO that buy himself, this young man have everything you can think about. He can travel around the world and come back in 20 seconds. He can use money and buy anything you can think of. The world is in his hands. But today, he is now a person that they will bury sooner or later. So you that are watching this video, why do you have to think of buying yourself? Why do you have to think of jumping inside lagoon? Don't think of that. There's much thing you can do for yourself, because tomorrow is more better than you are thinking. Share the video. Share the video.